Right, who can remember doing this as a kid? We used to do it quite often in the 70s. Tin of baked beans, go paint woods. Whoa! Yeah, exactly. And do that. Stick a tin of baked beans up fire as a kid. Brilliant. I'm going back to my childhood. Yeah. Fucking love it. And then you had to get the fucker back out. Brilliant. But that's what happened, didn't it, when we were kids? Used to fuck up and do shit. And do mad crap like that. Instead of staying at house, playing on computers and Xboxes, because we didn't have them. We went in woods and made his own entertainment. And we nicked a tin of beans and put it on an open fire. And we had fucking happy days. Bring it on. Fucking hell, I'm 60-year-old and I'm doing this shit. I'm loving it.